I chose the pre-engineering program at Cascadia Tech because I really just like doing hands-on building and learning, and I like making things on the laser cutter that I can actually program and then cut out basically in the same day.
I think it's great knowledge to have, very useful, wide range of jobs in colleges.
By taking all of our SolidWorks exam certificates, I have a better and more filled out resume of all these more intricate skills.
We get lots of certification that normally you would have to wait. I've almost have my associate level for SolidWorks, and we get lots of just like on-the-job training, so you could get an introductory job out of high school.
After I'm done with the pre-engineering program, my plans are to enter a trade and immediately go into the workforce after that.
Probably looking for some sort of internship. There's lots of opportunities available.